everyone. I'm just a couple of minutes into the ride here, and obviously I have on my new jacket and my new pants, the jeans, and they are pretty good. When I was on the way out the road out to Kilmeaden, maybe 5-10 minutes on the bike, I stopped off in the garage, as you seen in the intro, and I ended up changing and putting a top underneath it as well. So I'm very glad I brought a thermal top underneath it as well. So I had a light t-shirt, a hoodie and a new jacket, but I could feel the cold coming through the mesh. Now that'll be good in the winter because it's obviously very breathable as well, but it's still very cold at the moment. So it was lucky I had the thermal vest with me as well. The jeans, I can't feel any cold whatsoever, and that's really the bonus. And the jacket just fits so well. I felt actually so light wearing both the items, other than my winter gear. It was like I was missing something, the weight was gone off it that much, and I'm really enjoying being out on the road there. And I'm nice and warm as well, so that extra top really makes the difference, in especially now that it's not that warm. So it's always good to have an extra t-shirt with you as well. And you can see by the clouds there that it's actually looking like it's going to lash out the heavens as well, which is not ideal, but I don't mind once I'm out on the bike. And if it rains, then it rains. You just have to grin and bear it. Actually, it's more fun. Then you get to learn a lot more about yourself when it's the rain as well. So when it rains like this, or when it rains normally, not like this because it's not raining at the moment, but when it normally rains, what I do is I try to put less inputs into the bike. So no sharp turns, no sharp braking, anything like that. It's all progressive movement, progressive braking as well, and I slow a lot more around the corners just to make sure I have enough grip on the bike in any kind of bad weather like that as well. So that's the way I would approach it. And if you're only starting out, that might be an idea to approach it. Asher, IBT, instructor, any of those, but this is how I do it, and I haven't had any issues so far. Knock on wood, fingers crossed. So it's worked for me. Small inputs in brakes, in throttle, in everything. In the weather and the ground would be unforgiving. As you can see, the weather has started turning here a bit, and that's just another good test on the first ride out with the new gear. So once the rain started coming down, now obviously I was layered up on the inside, but on the jeans I didn't feel much at all with the rain. Now it wasn't heavy rain, it was light enough, but I didn't feel anything underneath, you know. So that's a really good thing as well. And with the jacket also, I didn't feel too much, even wind wise coming through, even though I had the mesh there and obviously being layered up as well. But after the rain, the jacket dried up fairly quickly. I didn't even actually notice it was wet before I took a few pictures for Instagram and stuff like that. But otherwise, it was really comfortable jacket to wear. I'm so glad I got the large, because if I had got the medium, which I normally wear in hoodies and stuff like that, then it wouldn't have fit with anything else underneath it. So I'm really glad I got the large, and it worked out really great for that. This pull-out took all of my patience and all of my all the experience, I suppose, that I've gathered over the last couple of months. It's really a blind place, so it's hard to get out, but I pulled in there because I needed to turn around, I needed to come back the way, and it was a challenge, but I was able to negotiate it because I'm able to use the experience that I gained. It's not a long experience, but it's 9 months now, I think, 9-10 months, but it helped me big time to be able to take my time and not be in a rush and try edge out as much as you can, because if you're going flying out, you're just going to do it blindly and anything can happen. So I'm just going to head back in the road here, and I'm going to change the camera to the camera on top of my head, the top of my bike helmet, and we get some different views going here as well. Overall then, my review with the jacket on the first ride on the bike was fantastic, and the jeans as well. I would definitely recommend them. For €130 for the jacket and $50 for the jeans is a no-brainer. It's a class looking jacket as well. The jeans are really warm. All of them are well padded. You can use the protection pad off your own jacket, I'm sure. If not, you can order the Sea Soft as well. And yeah, definitely recommend it. I delight with the overall quality of them, and I will definitely be. And once again, thanks for viewing, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you've subscribed already, I thank you very much. Each and every subscription is fantastic, and I just want to grow it, so please share, please like, please comment, and do whatever you can to help out. This is just the beginning of the journey. We're going to go on a good journey together, please God. And until the next video, Deise Rebel out.